Hello dear papercraft friends, today I will design an academic weekly planner. I use Canva. I started with an A4 sheet, then I designed it with my cute squirrels and back to school supplies. You can download this design in PDF from the link in the description below. After you downloaded it, you can put it into Canva and you can edit it. Please use it only for personal use. Thank you. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.